Tired of dash cam systems freezing when you need them most? Yeah, me too. That's why you need DS18's EAGLE-M2. This dual dash cam system has got your back and your front. You get a 4K front camera for sharp detail, plus a 1080p rear cam with a wide field of view to catch everything behind you. And it does much more than just record. You get built-in GPS, Wi-Fi, night vision, and a smart app that puts full control on your phone. And install is super easy. We're about to show you right now. Let's go. Alright guys, we're gonna do the installation. So installation for this product is super simple. First off, we're gonna look for a place where the camera isn't a distraction for the driver. We went ahead and put it right next to the rear mirror, as you guys can see right there. And now we have the wires so that we can connect it to the rear camera. We're gonna go ahead and take the headliner top off of the car so that we can hide that wire. And then we're gonna weave it through the gasket. We took off the gasket on the side of the door. In this case, we have two options. We can go straight to the cigarette lighter for power, or we can go straight to the fuse box and draw power from the car. We went ahead and picked the fuse box option for a more professional install. We went ahead and also used our trim remover to open up that headliner, open up the side gasket. We went ahead and ran our wire all the way straight to the fuse box. Now, as you guys can see, the product is fully installed, and we went ahead and looked for the fuse that turned on when the key ignition turned on. Super easy. It does require some skills, but if you want a professional install, you do have the option here. We went ahead and closed the headliner and the gasket, the trims, everything, to make sure that the wire was hidden and that the install was professionally made. And now the rear camera is fully installed. You can see all the wide angles that you need. Now we're gonna go into a test drive. Let's do it. All right guys, so now that we have the M2 installed, as you guys can see, you get a perfect 4K output in the front. And then if we look at our rear cam, we get a wide angle 1080p. You can also do split screen, so you see both screens at once. And the really cool thing about this dash cam system, it has a G sensor. So basically, if you're parked and your car gets hit, we hope not, it'll start recording immediately. So really great just to keep you guys safe and make sure you're capturing everything on the road. Now, as you guys can see, we're gonna back up the car, put it in reverse. And you guys can see right there, we have an ultra wide angle, 1080p HD quality. You get to see everything in the back, and it's recording. So make sure you guys go check it out. My name is Danny with DS18, and we like it loud.